So what's up, everyone? Today we're trading NFP again. Why are we trading NFP? It's because it's one of the easiest days to trade. Like, these are days where professional traders, big institutions, hedge funds make a shit ton of money due to the fact that first they know where they know where it's going because they know the reports before they come out. But for professional traders, right, these individuals know the reports just as well as institutional traders due to the fact that they predict this shit a month ago. Like, they know what's going on with the economy. They know what the report's going to look like. And this is where a lot of traders like us fuck up, because we go in the market after the report comes out 3 minutes after, right? We're not in the market to catch the big movement. We're in there to catch a little movement. And that's why a lot of people fail, because they focus on short-term trading, which they're going to give you short-term results, but overall what you want is longevity. So we're going to jump in, we're going to jump straight into TradeView. I'm going to explain to you guys what to look for, how to look for it, and then based off the analytics and statistics, what the market's going to do. So now that we are on Forex Factory, first things you guys want to look for is the forecast, right? The forecast will basically demonstrate what the economy thinks the reports are going to be like, right? So the first two things you want to look at are NFP, which is this non-farmers employment change, and then unemployment rates. Obviously, these two things up here are important, but we want to focus on these two today, right? So the forecast is this right here. And then it's 19.4% of an unemployment rate. I think the unemployment rates are not going to be that high. I think it's going to be around 16%, 14 to 16, more or less, right? Therefore, that's going to cause the market to jump upwards. And then with this right here, right, we could look at previous data, right? It was actually less than the forecast, right? And if we go all the way back to May 8th, right? This is where you compare analytics and statistics. It's very important to do this type of shit. So right here, we go to 8, right? 9. So right here is where the news came out, right? And there wasn't a lot of movement all the way until like 1, that there was a big jump. But this little movement right here is showing us that the market broke upwards, with this being less than the forecast, right? So we could expect, right, the actual number to be less than the forecast, and then this is going to be less than the forecast. Therefore, it's pretty fucking easy to tell that this market's gonna continue to go upwards. It already had its small retracement here, right? If we draw another trend line, we could draw it like this. It doesn't have to, what's it called? I'm sorry, I started there. It already had its retracement, right? So I will expect this market to break upwards. We're going to draw this position here. My stop loss will go right here. My take profit will go up here, more or less. It's not going to be that dramatic of news. It's just unemployment rates. So we could put that there. And then we'll use a horizontal line. My first take profit will be right up here due to the fact that there is resistance right up here. So that would be my first take profit. And then my second, also, it's creating a triangle, right? So if it breaks upwards, it's gonna break mad hard. My second one will be right up here, right? And then my third will be right at the top. Now, this may not look like a lot, right, of pips, right, based off the screen, but if you use this from here to here, this is about, depending on the broker you're using, right? If you're using Hugo's Ways, it's 4,000 pips. If you're using FX Choice, it's 400 pips. So depending on the broker you're using, it's how many pips, right? So I'm gonna let it do its thing. At 9, I'll get back on this call and show you guys the overall results. But that's how easy it is to trade NFP. I mean, if you know how to read basic statistics and analytics, you're good to go. So yeah, I'll catch you on later. So there you go. Boom. That's how fucking easy it is to trade NFP. Like, look at this, guys. We go into the 5-minute. Let's press auto. Look at that. Easy fucking trade. I mean, this is the most simplistic shit to trade, right? Give me 1 second so I can pull up my trade view. I'm sorry, my Telegram, so you guys could see where I send a signal on this. So let me share my screen, share this. So right here you have it. I sent all of this hit take profit, by the way. I closed this out early because I knew from the report it was going to go upwards, how I explained to you guys, right? So I closed it out early, put in a buy, a buy, a buy. They all hit take profit. I just have to type it in so I could announce it to the group chat, but I'm making this video for you guys. Look at that, guys. That is some easy fucking shit. I mean, this is the most simplistic shit to trade. So this is pretty much it for the video. If you want to get involved with my VIP signals or my free signals, because right here I also send out free signals. Check all of this out, right? I send out this NAS 100 that instantly these both hit take profit. I just have to announce it. If you want to get involved with my free signals, click the button down below. I also have a course where I explain exactly how I trade this stuff in more detail. You guys could also get access to that. We're going to drop a free promo code for you guys. The promo code is going to be PIPS, and it's going to save you guys $50. For, let's say, for the next 3 days after this video is published, for every sell that I get on the course, I will donate 50% of it to a charity like Make-A-Wish Foundation or St. Jude's. And look at this continuing to go upwards. Let me share my screen again. Look at that. Boom. Like, why didn't I put my take profit higher on the signal? But guys, this is how I trade. This is Pips Nation, and I'm out.